How many of you don't see this kind ant before? Man, this ant dey very dangerous oh. Hey! If this ant catch any animal, e go kill am. The way they get power, the way I dey see them. Even me myself, I dey fear make e no bite me because the ant full everywhere there. No be lie, full everywhere there. Abeg, no try near this ant oh if you see am anywhere. See am, see the way they dey do. Ah ah! Man, God is wonderful. Look at this ant. Say na God take time create this kind animal, this kind ant. This ant oh. And this their house dem no born any insect, any other insect well or any animal. Even bird sef, this animal go kill am. Bird, this ant, e go kill am. Because this ant if this ant pass soldier ant sef, the way I see am. But this is not soldier ant, I'm very sure it's not soldier ant. Please, anyone that know the name of this ant, abeg tell me. I wan know because na my farmland side na im dey. Abeg. Thank you guys.